Welcome back to my channel, everybody, and welcome to the third video in my series about how to practice German with Netflix. If you haven't been here before, my name is Carlie, and I help people use German in practical ways and learn more about the German culture. So if you like getting videos about practicing German, German grammar, and interesting German cultural facts, subscribe below, hit the like button, and join me for another video. So today, we're going to talk about turning your entire Netflix interface to German. So that means the synopsis of the videos will be in German, the buttons you're pushing are in German, everything's in German. And this is a great everyday way to practice German using your Netflix account. And it's kind of nice to get familiar with the buttons and the interface this way because a lot of software has similar buttons. Right? You have like start, off, shut down, log in, home, things like that. So if you learn those things in German, you can apply it to a lot of different software interfaces, and it's very helpful. But one thing I would caution you on is that you do have to navigate in German if you want to change this. So only change it if you feel confident you'll be able to navigate, because it could be very difficult to change it back otherwise. Okay, well, if you're ready for this, let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to change your interface language to German so that you can just practice on a daily basis. Okay, so I am here at the main screen where you have the different users listed. And you're going to have to change the settings for your specific account. So if you have multiple users, you can change it for just one person so the other people still have English as their interface language. So you go to the account you want to change. Mine is Georgine because I like that to be my Netflix name. And we're going to go to this little pencil on the left and click on that. Here we have name, icon, and language. So I'm going to go down and click on language. And there's all these languages that you can change it to. And Deutsch is the German word for German. So I'm going to go up and select that. Click enter. And now everything is in German. See? Name, Profilbild, Sprache, fertig. Fertig means finished. So, yeah. Don't click this one. Profile, delete profile. No. Fertig. We'll click that. And now, if you go into your Netflix, the titles of each movie are in German. The synopses are in German. Let's see what we get when we click here. See? So, the synopses are in German. I recently switched one of the videos I was watching to German when I was watching it. So I think now it believes I want everything in German. But if you switch a few back to English by doing what we did before, you can do this on the main menu for the movie, or go down here and say English original. Mit Untertiteln, like with subtitles, or we have Deutsch, German, Deutsch mit Untertiteln. Just select English again as the audio, then it will default to English on most of these, unless it's a German language show. But it's nice to have it defaulting to German too, if you just want to watch everything in German, but you don't have to. Synopsis is in German. See, Folge 1 abspielen. This entire menu is in German now. If we go out here On the left, we have Suche, Startseite, neu und beliebt, Serien, Filme, Kategorien, meine Liste. So you can just browse through here and familiarize yourself with everything. It's really good. And also, it shows you all the movie titles in German, which is fun. If you're wondering what your favorite movie or series is called in German, sometimes they don't translate them, but a lot of times they do. So that's it. That's how to switch your Netflix interface to German. And if you want to switch it back, just go back out to that main profile page. Go back to the little pencil. Go to Sprache and English. And that will switch it back. But I'm going to leave mine in German because that's how I leave it as my default. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope that many of you can now enjoy using your Netflix account in German. I sure do. I love the extra practice. And that's it for my Practicing German with Netflix series. So I hope you enjoyed it. I have the links to the other 2 videos below, and I'll see you in the next video. Tschüss!